Are you having trouble figuring out how to connect your S series or A series phones into your monitor, PC, or even your TV to activate the DEX mode? This is the right place. So here I'm going to be showing you how to easily connect to your monitor, PC, or even your TV to activate the DEX mode and use the desktop-like experience for multitasking. Here I have my S21 FE. I'm going to use this to demonstrate the DEX mode. And first, let's see how to connect to your monitor. Obviously, this monitor is not a cutting-edge monitor. This is a 15-year-old monitor, but you can use the same method to connect to any other monitor. It's the same method. So guys, in order to connect to any device like TV or monitor, you need this converter, a HDMI port to C-type converter, so that you can connect your C-type port to your phone and connect the HDMI to your device output. First, let's just connect this up, and now you just connect the C-type to your phone, and then DEX mode should be activated. Here you go, the DEX mode is activated. Just unlock my phone. Here you have the DEX mode. So your phone turns into a trackpad, so you can move the cursor as you can see, and then you can open anything right now. Here is the taskbar at the bottom. All the open apps are shown, and the control action center, calendar, notifications, volume. When you open it, you can easily change it here on your phone also, and then you can open anything. Let's say Google. Then what do you want to type? We can Linus Sebastian. Here this is not proper because this is 720p screen. I'll connect it to my TV, which is a 1080p TV. It'll be more proper. Marcus, video opening right now. If you want to multitask, you can just drag stuff around. All of this is running from your phone. You can minimize this. It's just one tap to drag. There's a lot more to do in this multitasking. You can play around with this. So this is it for connecting to your monitor. Now when you disconnect, you just need to do this. Unplug it and open your normal thing. Now let's see how to connect to your PC. So guys, to connect your phone and activate DEX mode on your PC, you have to go to the website here. I will put this in the description, and then download this application for Windows 10 and above, and then click save. And after downloading it, run it. So I'll ask to agree for this, and just click I agree, click next, and then select the folder if you want to. I'm just going to keep it this way, and then click yes, and then you're all set. So click OK, and then it'll ask you to connect your phone with the USB. So just connect it. So here I'm doing with the C to C type. If you have C to A, you can connect it with that, and then here you go. And then it'll ask this. It's start DEX mode on this PC, and click start now, and then it's started. You're just gonna click F11 to full screen. Just click on maximize to full screen, and then unlock your phone here, and that's it. You're set. Here's DEX mode on your PC. So you can just go open YouTube Music, play. This is directly connected to my PC. It's playing from my PC speakers. You can change it over here. Media output, and then if you click this phone, it'll come play from your phone, and you click back, it'll play from your PC. There's a lot of stuff you can do. Just drag it at the side, and then if you want, you can play chess at the side. And then now let's see how to activate the DEX mode on your TV. So guys, to connect to your TV like this is a 1080p TV. on any TV which has a HDMI port, you again need this adapter connecting to your phone. So we'll just connect it. And then here you go, DEX, and then I unlock it here. It's in. And now we again use this trackpad. So this is how you connect it to your TV.